Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and in today's video, I'm gonna cover another GCSE exam question. Let's break it down step by step. The question is, work out the value of this expression. Okay, as you can see, we have two mixed numbers. And the first step is to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let me write this here. 5 and 4/9 gives us 5 times 9, 45, plus 4 is 49/9. And 4 and 2/3 is 14/3. Okay, so now our expression looks like this. And over 2 to the power of -3. Okay, and the next step, we should simplify 49/9 to the power of 1, -1/2. We know that when we have negative exponents, we should find the reciprocal of the base. I mean, you should flip this 1/a and opposite the sign, which is positive m. Okay, so I'm gonna use this rule for this exponent. So we have 49, flip this, 9/49 to the power of 1/2 times. Okay, and in the next step, we just need to find the power 1/2. How we can solve this? I'm talking about this power. Okay, so we should take the square root of 9/49. In fact, when we have a to the power of 1/2, we should take a square root of this number. Okay, so a square root of 9/49 times 14/3 over 2 to the power of -3. And the next step is finding the answer of the square root of this fraction, which is 3/7 times 14/3. And how about this one? 2 to the power of -3. As I said before, we should flip 2, which is 1/2 to the power of +3. So we have 1/8 in the denominator. And now I'm gonna simplify 7 and 14 by 7 and cancel out these 3. So we have just 2 or 2/1. And the next step, the final one, is 2 times 8, which is 16, the final answer of this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a math tip. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.